6 reasons why your aircon keeps turning off. Air conditioner is an important device in Singapore today. Many people are using this device because of the hot temperature in this country. You should maintain the quality of your aircon unit properly. You also need to be ready with some problems with this unit. Some aircon units may keep turning off for no reason. There are some factors that can cause this situation. Here are some problems that may cause your aircon unit to lose its function. 1. Frozen condenser. You should know that condenser plays an important role in your aircon unit. You may suffer from frozen condenser with your aircon. This problem can cause your aircon to keep turning off from time to time. You need to fix this problem, so you can restore your air conditioner's function. In some cases, you may need to replace this unit with the new one. 2. Dirty aircon unit. It is recommended that you clean your air conditioner at least once a month. When you leave your air conditioner unit dirty, you can see some dirt, dust, or other impurities in your unit. Some aircon units can keep turning off when they have this problem. 3. Loose cable. This is another common problem that can cause your aircon unit to keep turning off. It is important that you check all cables or wires of your air conditioner regularly. Some loose cables can decrease the overall function of your air conditioner. 4. Blocked system. Most air conditioner units usually work based on the water circulation on their units. It is a normal thing to have some blocked pipes or systems in your aircon unit. These blocked systems can be caused by any factors, including dirt, dusts, animals, and some other unwanted things. 5. Dirty evaporator. This is another common problem that can cause frequent turn-off in your air conditioner unit. Some aircon units cannot function normally when they have dirty evaporator. As the result, they may lose their functions when their evaporators are dirty. 6. Broken remote control. This is a minor problem that you may have with your air conditioner. When your remote control is broken, your aircon unit may keep turning off regularly. It is recommended that you clean your remote control or replace it with the new one. You can restore the overall function of your air conditioner. It is recommended that you hire a professional aircon service company for solving this problem.